Guys, back here with another video. Not just a video, but a squishy video.
Challenge video.
Challenge, not even a challenge. We could, guys, comment down below if you want us to do the squishy versus food challenge.
Versus real food.
Yeah, real food challenge. So guys, I'm probably gonna forget things because I do not how's it called? I do not do that much videos, but I do play so much Fortnite. And go to the item shop and support me as a creator, Giovanni 12, because I got my account something blah blah blah. I'll tell you in the next video. But we're gonna start with we're gonna start with the squishies. We're not gonna show you. So we're gonna start by how's it called?
By keep this in my mind,
like
I know what to do.
We're gonna squish them. And then we're gonna count the time, like seconds, okay? So the first one is blah blah blah. We're not saying because at the
it starts with the letter H. Okay. If you guys already know, comment down below.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. We put that there. Still something. We're not gonna show you. Okay. Okay. So squish this very good. Okay. One. Let me do that.
I think it's 2. I don't know.
1,
2.
2.
Yeah.
Okay, that's 2.
2.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 11, 2, 4,
3.
4.
Like.
Okay. This is so big they can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. Okay, this is gonna be like 1 second. 1. Okay, that's 1. I told you. Okay, so now we're gonna show you. We're gonna do like first, second, like that. Okay, so this one's first. Oh shoot, we can't tell you. Okay, this one's first. Second.
Third.
Fourth.
Fourth.
Fourth. And fifth. Okay, so now we're gonna show you the squishes, and then we're gonna show you tell you the smell. So the smell of we're gonna show you. So this one is a puppy face squishy. Like you guys can see.
It's purple and
purple. You guys can't see that much,
purple,
but it's
and the ears are blue.
It's like a puppy face squishy.
Just put it more over there.
No, it's okay. And then we have this more. You guys can see. They ripped the eyes. Stop. We have this orange with the leaf. It's like a little thing, so you can put on your backpack. Then we have like this kind of pie. It's like red at the topping, and this is like the bread or something. But yeah. And this is the hamburger. It's like two little eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna do the smell. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna smell it.
Okay.
It smells like blueberry.
For me, it's bread.
Okay, her opinion is bread and mine's blueberry or something. Okay. Oh my, that smells like water poop. Like water
rain.
with poop.
Like grass.
No, it smells like grass plus water.
Yeah,
Because it has been out here. It smells like disgusting bread. Like old bread.
Oh yeah.
Old bread. So watery. Oh, I don't want
like
to
water.
smell that. Oh my gosh, it's so much water. They're not that bad though.
Kind of like perfume or water.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So
now,
we're gonna do something.
¿No tiene frío aquí afuera? Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
My LL something. Oh my gosh. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Okay, let's go over here. No. Look at this girl.
I don't think I can hear her screaming. She's so screaming. Okay, guys. So
Guys, this is the end of the video.
No, wait.
What?
So you're gonna give me?
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do the guess the squishy challenge. So this one's is called the s'more. This one's puppy face. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So we're gonna call this the puppy face.
I know you guys.
This is called the s'more, the burger, the pie, and the orange. Okay. So I'm gonna go first, guys. So
I'm
let
gonna
me
close
get
my eyes.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna close. And I'm gonna.
I'm gonna look at the ground.
These are the squishies. So I'm gonna give him this one.
Look at show them up. Show them.
I know it has a name. Okay, so I'm gonna give it to him.
Puppy face. Skull.
He got it right. Okay, so I'm gonna give him. Well, like 2 are big, so you're gonna know this one. The
Orange.
oh yes, this one.
No. The
I know you guys could hear me, but like.
pie?
Yes, I was saying that to you guys. Okay, there's 2 more. This one is gonna be easy right there.
Wait, what? Puppy face?
That already passed.
Oh,
It's big.
oh, burger.
Yes. So now you guess the burger. You guess the 4 of them. Now you know this one. Then you know the last one. Then that means you know the last one. So
More. Oh my god.
now
My head hurts. Okay, now it's your turn.
I'm gonna look down.
Look down. Okay, guys. So there's not that much line. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go. Let's go with this one. Okay. Okay.
I know this one. It's an orange. Because like this thing, I know this is going to.
Wrong. Look.
What?
Got it wrong. She got this one wrong. This one got wrong. Okay. Okay.
I don't know. The puppy one?
Oh, no, that already passed. It's called
Orange.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
The orange.
Pretty tricky. Okay.
Oh, I know this one. The hamburger.
Yup. Got it.
The pie. Okay, a cookie. I don't know what it is. S'more.
Okay. Let me tell you something. So, I was going like this, right? I gave you the orange and I switched it.
I know that. I already
And
know that.
I showed you. That was a good idea. Okay, guys. So, comment down below if you want me to do with her or just me solo. If you want me to do the squishy versus the real food challenge. And yeah, guys. And also comment down below if you also comment down below if you want me to play more Fortnite. But that's my favorite game. Oh shoot. So yeah, guys. We're out. Peace.